Hello, and today I'm at KIRBYCOMMERCIALS on the Ulster Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you this 2015 on a 15 plate Peugeot Boxer, and this is the Maxi mover, and it's a Luton van, and is also the professional model, which means you get a few added luxuries, which I'll point out to you as I climb inside. Access is easy with this step down here. And as I climb in, you'll notice nice added luxuries which is provided by the professional model, such as this multifunctional steering wheel and the sat-nav screen, as well as aircon, which in the summertime really is a nice little extra. To start it up, you simply turn the ignition, and there you can see it starts straight up. I'm really quite impressed with this little screen. It's so easy to use with all of these quick buttons, and it does also have touchscreen option as well, but it's got these short skip buttons, which means using it is so simple as you drive. And with this armrest, you can rest your arm, and that's just simple to use. As well, as I mentioned, it is multifunctional steering wheel, which means you can use it even easier as you're driving. This has the 2.2 litre diesel engine in, and with that 6-speed manual gearbox, it does help on fuel efficiency, and is a great motorway cruiser. The free seats, but if that's not needed, you get again this tidy little clever place to store drinks and also paperwork. As well as that, there's a clipboard on the dash and lots of little clever pockets dotted around to store items you'll carry as you travel. It's got this great large windscreen with large wind mirrors on either side, meaning that manoeuvrability is nice and simple for a vehicle of such size. I'll climb out and show you around. So as I mentioned, this is the Maxi mover. As you can see, when you step back, just the enormous space. It has two rear doors, which are easy to open. Simply pull the handle and press it in, and there you can see they release. And the doors are also light. It has a flat load bay, as well as a ramp, which is easy to attach and clips on down below, meaning that you can slide the heaviest of items into the back with limited challenge. As I climb into the back, you can see just the vast amount of space there is back here, as well as numerous places to tie the luggage down. There really is so much room here in the back. Again, which I'll demonstrate as you step back here. You can also see that the doors swing all the way back and clip in, which means loading is as easy as possible. This is a great van with vast space, and it's perfect for people like removal firms or delivery drivers, which obviously carry a lot of stuff. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.